So today I'm going to show you how to change your bank on file on your public investing app, whether you want to start adding money from that account or withdraw money to that account. Now we're going to be here in real time so you can follow along step by step on an iOS device, keeping in mind that Android might look a little different. Now we're here on the homepage of our portfolio account. You can see here it is highlighted where it says portfolio, just so we know where we're at on the homepage. And what we want to do is go all the way to the top left-hand side. We're going to see those three stacked lines. Let's click on that. And then from here, we want to scroll down with our eyes just a little bit, and you're going to see that little gear that says account settings. Let's go ahead and tap on this. And then from this section over here, you got a plethora of new options, one of which says payment methods. Let's go ahead and tap on this option. And then from this section here, we can go ahead and see our options that we have for our funding. We can actually link up 3 bank accounts and up to 1 debit card. So if you need to delete, you can go ahead and click those 3 horizontal dots. But today we want to go ahead and add a new funding method. So let's go ahead and tap on this. And from here, it's going to show you all the different options you have. Obviously, we want to go ahead and do a bank account, but you could also do debit card, wire transfers, or micro deposits. Let's go ahead and do our bank option here. And then we're going to go ahead and click on the word next down here at the bottom that has now appeared. And from here, it's going to give you a couple different options of some popular banks, but you can also just go ahead and search for the bank you want instead. So from here, you can go ahead and click on the search bar and start typing in the bank's name. And then that will pop up for you, which then you can go ahead and click on. So for us, we're going to go ahead and click on that and hit the word next. And from here, it's going to bring up Plaid, which is going to allow this instant connection between your public account and your bank account. So we're going to go ahead and click on continue here at the bottom. And from here, it's going to ask you to go ahead and plug in a phone number. If you've actually used Plaid before in other accounts or other apps, this will actually just make the process a little bit faster for you. But if you've never used Plaid, you can go ahead and plug in your phone number. And then that way in the future, it'll be a little bit easier of a process. If you don't want to do that, you can always continue as a guest. But for us, we're going to go ahead and make this a little faster by plugging in our phone number. Now, because we did use our phone number, we actually can see all the different banks that we've had our Plaid account connected to. So we can go ahead and just click on one of them to make this process a little bit faster. So for example, we're going to click on Chime here and then confirm. Again, if you don't have any of the accounts that you are looking for, you can click on add new account. And what that's going to end up doing if you click on add new account is you're going to actually go ahead and sign into your bank account as if you would on a regular browser. So it's going to be your username and your password. It is protected going through the process with Plaid. So just be aware when you're going through this process. Now for us, we went ahead and chose our Chime account, which already has the checking account connected to that. So you can see right over here, it does say that our bank account has been connected. We can go ahead and click on done. And just like that, our new checking account is now added into our public account. Obviously, there might be an additional step for you if you are adding a brand new bank, which then you will just choose which checking or savings account you want to have connected. And then you'll get to this same landing page here. Now, if you want to keep on learning and growing with your financial apps, we got you covered. Check out our next video right over here on screen.